$5 billion, which means Pengu is currently contributing roughly
What could your $1,000 investment in Pengu be worth by the end of 2026? And more importantly, how many Pengu tokens do you actually need to become a millionaire? In this video, we're going to calculate everything step by step using realistic targets, not fantasy numbers like Pengu to $1 overnight. I know a lot of people prefer hearing Moon Boy predictions because they sound exciting, but this channel has always been about realistic price targets and probability-based analysis. Yes, because of that, I sometimes lose followers and subscribers, but I'd rather tell you the truth than throw you under the bus with fake hopium. Obviously, nobody can be right 100% of the time in crypto, including me. However, I always try my best to give you the most realistic and safest targets possible based on market data and chart analysis. In fact, if you go back and watch some of my latest videos, you'll get a rough idea of my accuracy. Sadly, many people missed some incredible opportunities, from the ZEC pump to the hype breakout and many others. Before we move ahead, I'd really appreciate it if you could smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. A lot of effort goes into making these realistic videos with high accuracy analysis. And if you check all of my social media pages, you'll see that everything is shared completely free, with a strong track record of accuracy. The problem is that realistic predictions usually don't get the same views as, "This coin will do 1,000 times tomorrow." So I genuinely need your support. Please like, share, subscribe, and follow us on all social media platforms. Your support helps us continue doing this for the long run and keeps this community growing stronger together. So let's use the market share method to estimate the potential of Pengu through 2026. Now please note that Pengu is available on multiple networks. However, most of its activity currently takes place on Solana. That's why we're using Solana for this market share analysis. Since the majority of activity happens there, it should provide a more accurate estimate. If we were to use the entire crypto market cap instead, the accuracy would likely be much lower. At the time of this recording, Pengu's market cap is approximately $504 million. Meanwhile, Solana's market cap is around $47.5 billion, which means Pengu is currently contributing roughly 1.06% of Solana's total market cap. Now, based on the charts I've shared, I expect SOL to trade somewhere between $150 and $200 during 2026. If that happens, Solana's market cap would rise to approximately $87 billion to $115 billion. Now let's assume Pengu maintains its current contribution of 1.06%. In that scenario, Pengu's market cap could grow to roughly $922 million to $1.22 billion. Based on the current circulating supply, that would place Pengu somewhere around 0.014 to 0.02 per token. Now obviously, not many people are going to like those targets, because everybody wants to hear $1 Pengu incoming. But please understand that this is simply my conservative or worst-case scenario. If we look purely at the charts, I believe the higher probability bullish target sits somewhere around 0.03 to $0.04. However, before Pengu makes a serious breakout, I still expect a decent correction in the coming months. That correction could potentially take Pengu into the 0.005 to 0.007 range. So be prepared for volatility. Now, before we talk about how much money you could potentially make, let me quickly tell you about our VIP group. Inside the group, we share a lot of scalp setups for both spot and leverage trading. We also share detailed roadmaps like the one you're seeing today, which help members plan their strategies well in advance. More importantly, these roadmaps can help protect you from major market crashes. For example, in the past, we've successfully warned members before some significant market drops. Here's how we predicted the October crash. And here's a more recent example where we advised VIP members to reduce risk around May 22nd and 23rd. You already saw what happened afterward. The market dumped. Unlike many other groups, we don't charge thousands of dollars. There's also no lock-in period. You can join and leave whenever you want. The basic plan starts at just $6. The mid plan is around $15, and the elite plan is approximately $30. If you'd like to evaluate my accuracy, simply scroll through our Patreon posts and previous public calls. I've publicly shared setups on SWI, ZEC, Hype, and many other projects. You can review them yourself and make your own judgment. Of course, public setups don't contain the same level of detail as our VIP content. That's why I highly recommend joining the group.
especially because June is shaping up to be a very important month. And if you time things correctly, the next 2 to 3 months could present some incredible opportunities. However, membership is limited. Our most popular plan, the Mid plan, currently has only around 11 spots remaining. The Elite plan has approximately 19 spots left. Once those spots are filled, the group will be closed to new members. We do this because if too many people follow the exact same strategy, it becomes less effective. So if you're interested, don't wait too long. Now let's assume you invest $1,000 around the 0.007 range. If Pengu reaches our projected targets, that investment could grow to approximately $2,857 to $5,714. And remember, these returns would be even higher if you're able to accumulate closer to the 0.005 range. If you're following me on social media, I'll do my best to keep you updated on potential entry and exit zones, so don't forget to follow me everywhere. I'll continue sharing updates whenever I believe major opportunities are approaching. Now let's answer the question everyone keeps asking. How many Pengu tokens do you need to become a millionaire? Let's use the best case scenario. Assume Pengu reaches $0.04. To have a portfolio worth $1 million at that price, you would need approximately 25 million Pengu tokens. At today's price, acquiring that many tokens would cost roughly $200,000. So unfortunately, becoming a crypto millionaire isn't as easy as buying $500 worth of a meme coin and waiting. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow us on all our social media platforms. All important links are available in the pinned comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Coins digital, no paper thrills. Fortunes in my wallet, got that blockchain skill. Making money at the speed of light, feel the thrill. Mining rigs hung